So now we're speaking about something really cool, laundry. We've spoken about drive and passion before, and our passion is the environment, and our passion is also making a better environment for our future, the children. So what's the problem? It's detergents causing allergies, scent and diseases. Detergents cause eutrophication and leaving microplastics in the water. We're having a problem with clean water usage, and the manufacturing and transport of detergents. It also costs a lot of energy to clean the water from detergents, and the drying processes in the plants are really costly. And economy-wise, of course, the purchase of detergent and softeners, electricity costs, and service and maintenance of the machines. So what can SWATAB do? SWATAB is producing a filter system which makes a ultra-pure, super clean water, which allows you to actually do your laundry totally without detergent or softener, and in cold water. That means it's energy saving. We also do our shortest program that we use for laundry is now 20 minutes, and it still gets clean. It will, of course, improve the environment and the public health. Last year, we got the WWF award, World Wildlife Foundation Climate Solver, as one of 6 companies. The system is allergy-free, and it has an approved cleaning effect, and it's tested by a company called Swedish, an accredited testing company according to the EU Ecolabel test for detergents. And that's the same test that the manufacturer of detergent uses to prove their cleaning effect. And we have done it totally without detergent, and we passed the test. So this is what Dero looks like in a laundry room. It's that cool system up in the corner. Just took a wider picture to show you the machines as well. This is an installation at the student house in Malmö. Washing cold is cool. They only use 3 programs in the laundry machines. One for heavily soiled laundry, one for normal laundry, and one quick program that is 20 minutes. So like I said, there is a filter system. You put it between incoming cold water and one or multiple laundry machines. It makes it possible to clean totally without chemicals. You can put it into old machines or new machines, it doesn't matter. You can use the existing programs. You can wash at all temperatures, or you can just use cold water. You might want to use, for instance, for hygienic laundry, you might want to use 2 cold rinses, and then 70 degrees for 10 minutes, and then a cold rinse again. This is actually jackets from the Rescue South, the Swedish fire rescue that we washed. And those were hung in a smoke divers training facility for 48 hours. And these are washed at 30 degrees. And the firemen were really happy. So our market is laundry rooms at multiple flat buildings, care homes, hotels, real estate, fire department, laundrettes, basically everybody who do laundry. We are coming with a consumer system, hopefully next year. We also made a calculation for a hotel recently. They just got a quotation, we're waiting for an answer. They have 4 24 kilos laundry machines that washes all their towels and bathrobes and all that stuff. So in 1 year with our system, they will actually, except for the savings of detergents, of course, they will actually save 374,000 kilowatt hours per year by using our system. So thank you.